Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Yo, me I telling about a youth named ManTeeth from out of Cockburn, Pen. This are before the bully and the waldy them, and all the ray-tay-tay. So, sit back and listen to the story. Look at the screen in front of you. I'm taking you right back to Cockburn, Pen, Kingston 11, Jamaica. I'm taking you down my road drive to a place named Niggas Lane, and that's where ManTeeth come from, and that's in Kingston 11. If you understand where Niggas Lane there, you come down my road drive, you make a ride past Maple View Road. Niggas Lane and one lane right in the south between White Wing and Maple View Road. Across from Niggas Lane and White Wing, you have section 2, that a gully. But the youth of ManTeeth, him come from Niggas Lane. I'm telling you something about that boy. He was a notorious killer and rapist. Him breed a 12-year-old girl in a neighborhood, and her father catch heart attack and dead. Because the father no bad man and him can't defend it. So that a how them boy. Me know the name of him baby mother, but me now go ball it out, you understand? Cause him baby mother a good girl. Let's go. ManTeeth come from country, and him and a youth named Quack used to spar. Now, him end up in a pain land, and a woman named Mama Youngie, as she grow ManTeeth in a pain land. If you know where pain land there, pain land at the other side of Ugly Park Road, Chisholm Avenue, pain land, Mongoose Town. For going an idea who Mama Youngie is, she live in a building 12 at pain land back in the days. She gamble, she drink rum, all her pitney them a bad pitney. Her son them a hitman and all sort of thing. Now, other stable there, ManTeeth come out her. Like me say, in a Cockburn Pen in power with Quack. But him really link a Painland too. Cause you see who I'm you would have say brother and sister them. Mama Youngie pitney them. And the whole of them a hitman, bad man, murderer. All our daughter them. So now when him drop a Cockburn Pen, him a power with Quack. And him live a Niggas Lane. And one little lane off a Maple View Road between White Wing. Now him tell the gully man them over section 2 for bringing in them gun and a big war jump off. Cause him say him had it done and him want the man them bringing in them things. And the man them say no. Now if you don't know where gully is, like me say that's where Bitty come from. Yo, the whole place small, you know. The whole place, yo, you take 5 steps from Maple View Road and you're there section 2 gully. That's how small the place is. So him and them man they are war. Fast forward, him turn big promoter now. Now ManTeeth can run the place and him have him soldier Quack. And him have a 6 pants. And Quack will lend it out to some man over Olympic Way. If you don't know Olympic Way, that at the end of Maple View Road. Walk, a small walk away. But down there saw Labour right. If you don't know Cockburn Pen, you know say divided. You have over Ushpa and ManTeeth there. A PNP stronghold. Back in the days of Portia Simpson. And Monty used to run there so and Carl Thompson. Now I think the batty boy with them said him Patrick Roberts and Andrew Holiness. So Andrew Holiness and Andrew Holiness on the Labour right, Patrick Roberts on the PNP. Now, Quack take the machine and lend it to some youth Olympic way. Remember now, ManTeeth, I run the thing car. I'm a big promoter, I'm having 6 pants and the machine them. Now, listen to what I'm to him. Now, I want to make one thing clear. You see right there, so, a PNP stronghold, just like Tivoli. So this would be PNP Tivoli. But remember me tell you, the JLP them treat them people them way better than how the PNP treat them people. Now, back to my youth, ManTeeth. Him ask Quack, go for the 6 pants. Quack say, yo, the day I lend it to some man over Olympic way. You them we name Shower Owe. Must say, yo, a Shower Owe them have it, yo. So he must say, yo, oh, you feel lend the man them the thing and the man them a labor right. But one thing with Quack is a man we link all sort of people. Man a mobile, him link man all over. Quack dead now. So, when him tell them ManTeeth say Shower how we have it, that cause a big problem. Big problem. The man them here say ManTeeth a talk about them. So you see when him a keep him dance, Shower how we them go page him and call him out and slap him right in front of him dance. Yo, enough people get caught up in that. Now the man them we deal with ManTeeth end up a jail, but then end up a jail for some other little thing. Me I tell you what I go on this up. The man them will lick him down, end up go to jail for some other thing cause pay every them a do in our community. And them escape, one end up a foreign, one end up dead by police, and the other one, we don't know where him there. But the man them never did really want him thing. Cause the man them have for them things, me know that for a fact. I just hold my go on, yo, Quack, you can't give labor right me things and this and that, and I run up him mouth. So the man them come page him, and I saw him lose for him life. As far as ManTeeth, he was a cool, dangerous boy, and he was also a rapist. Cause he might grind off the young girl them, like me saying breed the young girl, she was 12. And her father couldn't do nothing about it. Underneath the grips of the gang. And this was before bully. This was before Waldy. This was before Bitty, Rifle. Cause all of them man they know him too, you know. Believe this. But this was before them. Let's go. For just recap who ManTeeth is a youth who come from country, end up grow up Plainland and Cockburn Pen. And mama young grow him. All our pitney them a hitman and murderer and killer all the girl them. Now him used to par with mama's youngest son. When him a grow up and him come a Cockburn Pen and have Quack them and other man with him a roll with. You see what I'm saying? Now, mama youngest son when used to spar name Unch and in a politics. Cause them used to grow up in a politics. Them used to roll off the labor right and push them back down on the ball ground side and the Olympic way side. So I saw them youth there come in a badness. You understand? But he was a very cool youth. He's a man who do him want do, enough things him do. So the man them come, how we them page him and dance, cause him turn big promoter now. Maybe if he never did it, would have end up a foreign and be like probably the next rifle or whatever. But the man them page him and slap him way in front of him party because Quack give out him £6 to the man them and master boy liberate. ManTeeth story is not unique to Jamaica or Cockburn pen or anywhere. Just like Riverton, just like Jungle Rima, and it's really sad. Yo, click on another video and remember to subscribe. My name is Countryman and I'm out.